In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a conversion tracking tag in Google Ads and integrate it into your Wix website. Let's dive right in and start by getting everything ready in Google Ads so you can monitor the conversions on your site effectively. First things first, open up Google Ads and navigate to where you can set up a conversion tracking tag. This is a critical tool that helps you understand the actions visitors take on your website, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Once you have that up, you'll need to copy both the global site tag and the event snippet. These two snippets are essential pieces of code that work together to track all those important interactions on your website. Now that you have your tags ready, it's time to head over to the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Make sure you're using Google Chrome, as it tends to work best for these types of tasks. Once you're in the Wix platform, look for the Settings section. You'll find it usually on the left side of the editor interface. Click on it, and then navigate to Tracking and Analytics. This section of your Wix settings is where all the magic happens. It's where you'll be able to integrate various third-party tools that enhance your website's functionality. Here, you'll want to add a new custom tag. This is where you'll paste the Google Ads code you copied earlier. You'll see an option to choose whether you want these tags to load on all pages or just specific pages of your site. If you want a comprehensive overview of all visitor interactions, it's generally a good idea to have your tags load on all pages. But if you have a particular campaign you're tracking, you might choose specific pages related to that campaign. Once you've pasted your tag and chosen where it should load, don't forget to hit save. This ensures that all the changes you've made are recorded. Then, head back to your Wix interface and publish your site. Publishing updates your live site with the new changes, including your conversion tracking setup. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully set up Google Ads conversion tracking on your Wix website. Now you're all set to start gaining valuable insights into how users interact with your site. Tracking these interactions effectively can empower you to optimize your marketing strategies and enhance user engagement. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online presence. Until next time, happy website managing.